I was standing at the gate, holding a paper cup of airport coffee that tasted like cardboard, watching the word canceled flash next to my flight number. You know that feeling when your stomach just drops? Yeah, that? This wasn't some quick weekend trip either. It was the first real vacation I'd planned in, like, 3 years. Italy. I had this whole itinerary: Vespa rides, wine tours, a little cooking class in Tuscany. Cheesy, I know, but I was so ready. But then, bam, flight canceled due to some sudden strike in Europe. They didn't rebook me. They didn't offer a refund. They just handed out this big little pamphlet and told everyone to call customer service. You ever tried calling airline customer service when a whole terminal is doing the same thing? It's like yelling into a void. Anyway, I sat on the floor by the vending machines, watching hours pass. Hotels were non-refundable. Tours prepaid. My Airbnb host was sweet, but firm. No refund, sorry. I was watching my vacation fall apart and my bank account bleed at the same time. And honestly, I almost just gave up. Like, forget it. I'll just take the hit and deal with the stress later. But then I remembered, wait, I did buy travel insurance this time, which honestly, I never used to do. I thought it was just one of those extra things they scare you into buying. But a friend had told me about this service, Auras.insure. Said it was super simple, modern, not scammy or filled with fine print. I'd signed up more out of just in case paranoia than real planning. So, sitting there on the floor, I pulled up the Auras page. Filed a quick claim, not expecting much. I uploaded the canceled flight email, a couple receipts, and a sad selfie for good measure. Didn't take more than 10 minutes. And here's the part that shocked me. They actually responded. Fast. Like, within a day, I got a follow-up asking for a few more details. And 2 days after that, boom, reimbursement confirmed. I'm not kidding. I got back the cost of the flight, my hotel nights, and even that cooking class I missed. It was like someone hit undo on the worst part of the trip. And get this, I ended up booking another flight the following week. Still made it to Italy. Fewer days, yeah, but I arrived lighter, weirdly. Like I had this safety net I never realized I needed. You know, when stuff goes wrong during travel, it's not just the money. It's the emotional toll, the helplessness. You've saved, planned, dreamed, and suddenly it's out of your hands. I used to think travel insurance was for worst-case scenarios, like medical emergencies. But now I see it's also for all the small disasters that feel big in the moment. So if you're like me, the kind of person who overplans and still somehow gets caught off guard, just do yourself a favor and check out Auras. You can find it on Google, or I'll drop the link below. It's not flashy. It's not trying to upsell you every step of the way. It's just there when you need it. And honestly, that's what saved me. Not just the money, but the chance to still say, yeah, I made it to Italy. And hey, next time you travel, give yourself that safety net. Because chaos doesn't care how carefully you packed.